On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to continue working on the E91. Yeah, I received all the parts. I hope I can put everything back together and it's not going to smoke. I'm pretty sure at first it's going to smoke a little bit because we have some oil residue in the particle filter. But I'm gonna leave the car running to see if it's going to smoke after that. Yeah. Oh yeah, since the last episode, as you can see back in there, we have a German flag, we have a Europe flag, and my old number plate from the car that I had. Yeah. Slowly the garage will take shape. Yeah. We are going to personalize more this garage, but for now it's okay. I have in here the new clamp, yeah, for the exhaust. Yeah. Yeah, I have another gasket in here, but the turbo came with all the nuts and bolts and the gasket. Particle filter is in here. We just have to put everything back. We are going to start with the turbo, and after that particle filter, clamp the exhaust, and we are done. I'm going to show you now the progress. Yeah, I've installed the turbo. The turbo is right in there. See, that is the new one. We have a new gasket within the exhaust manifold and the turbo. I've installed the return line, the feeding line with oil. I've put everything. You have to know that there is a bracket under. Yeah, see this? There is a bracket underneath the turbo that holds the turbo between the engine and the turbo itself. Yeah, you have to install that. And after that, the 3 bolts on top on the exhaust manifold. So we are done in here. Now we have to install the particle filter, and I want to show you first. See how much oil there is in the particle filter, but the honeycomb, it's looking perfect. Yeah, it's perfect, it's clean, it's not clogged or something like that, but we still have some oil in here. Yeah, so it might smoke a little bit when we first start the car. And don't forget, the 2-liter diesel engine has a gasket between the particle filter and the turbo. The 1.8-liter diesel engine doesn't have this gasket. Yeah. Particle filter, is installed. We have the new clamp for the exhaust in here. Yeah, it's tight. We have the bracket that holds the particle filter. Sadly, we have a broken bolt. See that? Yeah. Okay, so car is running. We are going to check in here. Yeah, that's normal. Particle filter doesn't leak. In here we don't have any leak. So I put everything. In fact, let me show you just a second to get out. So yeah, I didn't put this hose because I want to check the blow-by, yeah, from the engine. For 310,000 kilometers is not that bad. Yeah, okay, so everything seems to be in good shape. I'm gonna leave the car running to burn all the oil that's on the turbo and on the particle filter. And now, moment of truth. Yeah. Apparently the car smokes stronger than before. See that? I had to stop the car because it's smoking like crazy. Yeah. All this is smoke. Oh my god, it's bad. Yeah. We have to check and recheck everything. Even with the new turbo, it smokes like crazy. Yeah, it's kind of strange because I've checked, we don't have any water in here. Yeah, not a single drop of water in here. We don't have any kind of oil. Yeah, we don't have anything. Okay, I've checked the EGR, it doesn't leak water in the exhaust. The turbo is new. We have oil on the exhaust, yeah, after the particle filter. Yeah, it's dripping. So, bad news. Okay, now I'm going to start removing from underneath here the particle filter and the other stuff, but I hope it's not the new turbo that is bad, because before there was not so much oil. Yeah, I've started the car, I moved it in here, and really I hope it's not the turbo. In fact, let's see if it's coming oil after the turbo or not. So apparently we don't have any oil after the turbo. That means we don't have a blown engine. That means the cat is full with oil. Yeah, that's about it. Because we don't have any kind of oil after the turbo. I'm gonna check it again, and we might just have to send this to be cleaned. And after that we can be sure that the engine is blown or not. Yeah, now we don't have any exhaust because it's not connected. But strange enough, check this out. Without the particle filter, this car doesn't have any kind of error. Maybe the cat is coded out. I have to check that. What the heck is happening in here? See that? It's dripping oil from the exhaust. What the heck is here? I do hope that the old turbo was blown and flooded the exhaust with oil. Whew, because I have no idea what's happening in here. I think this is the first time I saw oil on the exhaust, but so much that is dripping out from the exhaust. It's kind of crazy, man. Whoa, check this out. Yeah, I undone the exhaust because I want to install the particle filter now to start the car with the particle filter to see if oil is dripping out or what's happening in here, because I've started the car without a particle filter, with nothing, and it's coming no oil from the turbo, so not a single drop from the turbo. Maybe the particle filter, and I hope it's flooded with oil and it's pushing the pressure, everything onto the exhaust, and it's gonna smoke. Yeah, see that? And not just a little bit, it's like a lot. Another drop. Okay, I will end up removing the whole exhaust in order to try to clean this. I'm not sure if I will manage to do that. If not, I have to search another exhaust for this car. Crazy. Particle filter installed. Yeah. The exhaust is still dripping in there. Yeah, I didn't connect the particle filter with the exhaust. Now let's start the car to see if oil comes from the particle filter as well. Now let's go underneath to see what's happening. This is the back side of the particle filter. Okay. For now everything seems to be okay, yeah. 4 or 5. I'm gonna leave the car running about 10 minutes, and after that we are going underneath to see if we have oil on the particle filter or not. But as you can see, everything is clear around the car, yeah. Last time it was so much smoke in here, I couldn't see anything, yeah. So 8 minutes has passed. Yeah, see that? Now let's go underneath to see how the cat looks like. So now let's test drive the car. Without exhaust it's not that loud, it's kind of strange, yeah? Everything is okay, we have 3 kilometers in there. Let's do another 3 to see if he's going to smoke or not. For now, see that? No smoke. Yeah, I'm showing you here because we don't have any exhaust. On the road, everything seems to be fine. Okay, I'm going to give it the beans to see if he's going to smoke or not. And if not, the problem is solved, yeah? So this time we were without exhaust, and check this out. Oil everywhere, yeah, and it's dripping from particle filter. And turbo is brand new. Yeah, I think I will send the turbo back to be tested once again to be sure that it's not the turbo, because it's the only part between the particle filter and the exhaust, yeah. And if it was the case to the oil coming directly into the exhaust, that means the rings, yeah, from the piston rings are short, but the car shouldn't start with this amount of oil flow, yeah. See that? Every freaking where. Yeah, it's dripping. I'm not sure if it's just the oil from the last turbo, but I removed the particle filter once again, and I hope you can see something. Turbo is completely dry. See that? So not a single drop of oil on the turbo. And with all of that being said, I think the exhaust and the particle filter are flooded with oil from the blown turbo, the last turbo, and now it's burning the oil that's inside. And I think and I hope. I removed all the sensors from the particle filter. I'm going to send this to be cleaned, yeah, and I'm going to wait to come the new one, the clean one, and we are going to test once again everything, yeah, new turbo, new particle filter without exhaust. And if we still have that smoke, that means the engine is blown and it's bad. Let's hope not, yeah. But the new turbo, it was in exchange, yeah, it was like 170 euros, something like that. And this one as well, I'm gonna send this to be clean, and I'm gonna receive a clean one, 200 euros, something like that, more than 200 euros. But if this solves the problem, with 400 euro this car is completely sorted out, yeah. So it's gonna be a good deal, but let's hope that's the problem. Join me on the next episode to see if the problem is solved, yeah, with the clean particle filter and the new turbo. And if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.